I just wanted to make sure that this cam chain tensioner is applying the correct amount of tension to the cam chain. Basically the way these work is there is a spring-loaded plunger inside of here. Goes this way, cam chain's right here, and it pushes against it with a spring, and then you lock onto that shaft with this little set screw. So basically what we're going to have to do is just, good idea, first make sure that it's at top dead center so there's no tension on the chain, so we don't get an inaccurate level of tension. And so we're going to take that off, and then this is our little sight gauge. There's a little line on there for top dead center, so we'll zip that off, and then we'll rotate the engine till the line lines up with there's a little arrow right there, and then we'll be at top dead center. Then we'll be able to, basically this is the locking screw, so we loosen that, and then we loosen the set screw, and that allows the spring to push it in there, and then we'll be good. That was really loose. And then we will loosen up the set screw. Oh, did you hear that? It went click. Wow, I heard that. So then we tighten it back up. Tighten this back down. Well, that had to have moved like that much. Okay. Tighten that up. Let's put this back on it. And then we are done for the night because we have to go to dinner. Alright, let's see if that sounds any quieter. That definitely moved. Man, someone definitely had this off before. Do whatever else they were doing. Okay, gas is on. Dude, that's way quieter. Holy crap. You can actually hear the exhaust now? Oh my, I'm telling you, that had to have been like, wow. I mean, that was so rattly. I think you can hear it in the video before. Maybe I'll put a clip in it, or a clip in this of it before. There we go. Slipped a little bit with the Crocs. So you can hear, I think it's the valves or the cam chain. There we go. That's nice. Wow. It's cold. Wow. That's a huge difference. But that is so much quieter. All right.